Ito na ang cheaper variant ni Vivo V30 series, and this is the Vivo V30e. This one has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 na processor, 8256GB of storage, curved AMOLED display, 44 watts of fast charging, and 5,500 mAh of battery. Want to know more? Don't go away after this quick intro. Now, Vivo V30e na may 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is currently priced at $17,999. I'll be posting the official link on the description box below. Napag-usapan na natin kanyang design. One of the things that really captivates me dito sa kanya upon opening the box, ang ganda ng kanyang design. I'm not really too much of a lover ng white, pero yung pagka-white dito is a little bit more of a pearly white. Kapag inilawan mo, maganda. Mukha siyang pearl ang finish dito. And what's nice din dito sa kanya sa likod is that it's matte finish, so therefore wala ka makita mga fingerprints dito and hindi ka punas ng phone. One of the things dito na iniba na konti from the V30 series is bilog ang kanyang camera module dito. Unlike si V30 and si V30 Pro, square ang shape ng kanyang camera bump, and this one is a little bit different on its own. But one thing's for sure, nandiyan pa rin kanyang aura light, so you'll definitely get some really good vlogging experience from this phone. So yun, pwede mo i-calibrate din ang kanyang temperature ng kanyang aura light. You can put it to warm or you can put it to cool white. Same siya sa other V30 series. And another thing that I like from this phone is manipis, and it's really lightweight at 179 grams. This phone is a curved AMOLED display, giving you that infinity display na goodness that you are looking for. And one thing's for sure, maliit ka ng punch hole dito and manipis ang kanang bezel on top and at the bottom. And this phone is currently running FunTouch OS inside Android version 14. One of the things na gusto ko rin sa kanya dito is pwede pull out yung shortcut menu dito, so it's very fast to access when you need it. Now, probably one of the drawbacks na meron dito sa phone nito is that this doesn't have a very powerful processor, and this only has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, but for me, it's good enough for everyday usage. And it can give you a good gaming experience up to a certain level. Some of the games na I'll be showing you later. And it got me a 554,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And if you check its breakdown, ito ang makita mo. Surprising no thermal throttling detected dito sa phone nito, which to my surprise, I did this twice and same results. Ito ang score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench for CPU benchmarking, and ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. 613 loop score sa Wildlife Extreme and 99% ang stability. Now, one of the good things from the Vivo V30, it has a big battery. 5,500 mAh of battery, which can last you for more than a whole day without charging. And it can also fast charge up to 44 watts na Vivo Flash Charge. And charging from 0 to 100 takes around a little bit above 1 hour to complete the charging cycle. And good news, nakunan ang battery nitong phone nito because it was able to give me a 18 hours and 32 minutes na screen on time. This is based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate, and tinest ko siya na masinsinan and it was really good. And nung tinry ko siya patagalin ng 2 days, kaya niya as long as you're using normally, walang heavy gaming, walang problema. Now, probably you might be asking me about yung expansion storage dito sa phone na ito. And pag tinanggal mo yung SIM slot, you can put a SIM 1 over here, and pag ni-reverse mo, it's a hybrid. Isang either you put a nano SIM or a micro SD. It can expand you up to 1 terabyte more storage. And by the way, this is 5G powered na pala. Now, si Vivo V30e has a really good display. 6.78-inch na curved AMOLED display. Up to 1,300 nits sa maximum brightness, and this one gives me a 120 Hz na screen refresh rate. So if you're browsing through social media dito, Facebook, TikTok, and of course na Twitter, expect a really good browsing experience. Kasi maganda naman ng refresh rate dito, and definitely watching videos here is more fun kasi pwede ka manood ng HD dito thanks to its level 1 Wi-Fi security level. So Netflix na HD is capable dito sa Vivo V30e. If you're watching video naman sa YouTube, expect a good view experience dito dahil of its infinity display, and the black is rich, and the colors are punchy. So if you watch together with the whole barkada, definitely it's going to be fun. Now, one of the downside dito on this phone is that it only has one loud firing speaker. At first, akala ko parang wala akong narinig sound dito. So, chinek ko rin dito sa kanya. Wala rin naman siya butas dito sa ibabaw. And so, I found out na talaga dito lang lumalabas ang sound. So, check natin kung malakas nga ba. And so, even kaya mo i-tune up to 200% ang kanyang volume, di pa rin ganun kalakas ang audio dito sa phone na ito. And so, I did play 3 games dito sa phone na ito. Call of Duty Mobile, Firelight 84, and Mobile Legends. And playing Call of Duty Mobile, I was really able to enjoy. Dahil sa sarap ng hawakan ng phone na ito, dahil magaan siya. And one of the things na you would definitely appreciate while you're playing Call of Duty Mobile dito is very fast ang respond naman ng screen niya. And to my surprise, maganda naman kanyang graphics dito. And I have no problem playing for 30 minutes ng rank matches dito. And halos wala naman na feel na lag dito. And this one heated up to 45 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Pagdating naman sa Firelight 84, ang kaya lang iset dito is up to HD. Pwede mo naman siya isagad sa sagad na graphics niya, but expect sobrang laggy, sobrang halos di mo siya malalaro. So binaba ko sa HD, yun na probably the sweet spot dito for the SD6 Gen 1. And the gameplay was smoother and just some minor frame drops along the way. And the good thing dito is hindi siya masyado uminit. The gameplay was good and the overall experience was not bad. And it heated up to only just 44 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa ML, expect a good gaming experience here. Kasi I was able to set it to yung pinakasagad na kaya dito sa phone nito, and smooth naman ang gameplay, and halos wala naman feel na lag. And the good thing dito sa kanya is magandang touch response. So medyo bitin lang talaga sa sound niya kasi single loud firing speaker lang siya. But the display was nice. It was able to give me a better na experience, but probably using a TWS might give you a better experience while playing games on this phone. And this one heated up to 44 degrees Celsius. Napag-usapan na natin ang camera dito sa Vivo V30e. And this one has a 50MP na Sony ultra sensing na camera as its main lens. It also has a 5P lens, by the way. And together with it, meron siya 8MP na ultra wide lens. And it also has a 120 degrees of field of view. Sa harap niya is a 32MP na selfie camera na may 5P lens din. And probably good news dito sa inyo, ang rear and front camera niya can give you a 4K and 30 FPS na recording. So, si Vivo V30e has a good camera. And of course, let's just start off with some outdoor shot. Kita natin this shot, okay naman siya, no? Pero it seems to me medyo namumuti siya. Medyo a little bit overexposed dito sa kanya. But you get some really good details once you zoom it in. Now, if you look at this flower, masasabi ko sa'yo, it's really nice. Ang ganda ng mga details na nakaka-capture na dito sa kanya. And the background blur is definitely good. Especially itong flower na ito. In actual, medyo mas pale siya konti, but this one was able to enhance it a little bit to make it look a little bit more Instagrammable. Now, taking some kick shot naman on inside a coffee shop, you'd see a good detail dito sa kanya. Yung mga drizzle niya dito looks really nice and parang pop out siya, to be exact. And taking another food shot dito sa cake, I would say na okay rin siya. And taking some product shot dito, masasabi ko sa'yo, the subject focus siya and yung kanyang background blur is katamtaman na. Not the best background blur that you'll get, but it's just decent enough. Taking some bin shot, okay naman siya once you don't zoom it, pero kung zoom mo, it's a little bit blurred. Now, nilaro din naman natin yung kanyang different lenses dito on indoors. This is a ultra wide shot, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Focus na focus pa rin kay ate and mukhang busy siya. And medyo madilim dito sa spot na ito, and taking this shot, mukha siyang dramatic but to be honest, it's just a little bit dark. Now, taking some flower shots since it's Mother's Day, okay mga flowers na nakuha ko dito very nice, very detailed. Ito mga sunflowers na ito. And I really love the details na na-capture dito sa kanyang flower. And further taking some food shot, basta sabi ko, this one looks really nice and mukhang masarap siyang kainin as well as ito mga fried foods dito on this tray. Now, taking some product shot, hindi siya ganun kalinaw even though na natapatan na siya ng ilaw, but it seems to be soft dito sa photo na ito. Probably it's because medyo low light siya. But taking some product shot naman, basta maganda na mga ilaw, it looks nice and decent and was able to give me some really nice nice details dito sa kanyang fabric. Even taking some shots dito sa mga dolls, pag zoom in mo, kita mo naman ang details ng kanyang fur. Now, nilaro din natin ang kanyang ultra-wide lens dito on outdoors. Makita natin, this is a ultra-wide shot. The clouds are clear and it looks really nice yung mga details na dito. And this is a normal shot and this is a 2x zoom shot niya. And makita natin the details are very much preserved after 2x zoom. But if you take a look naman sa kanyang color, medyo hindi siya consistent sa kanyang ultra-wide shot and sa kanyang normal shot. Mas magandang pagka-blue ng sky dito sa normal shot mas consistent ang normal shot and 2x zoom shot. Now, trying to take some photos on outdoor condition, okay, not so bad, pero parang medyo naninilaw ako konti dito sa photo na ito. But on other condition like this one, hindi naman masyado. Looks okay, pero medyo smoothen na yung konti yung aking mukha. And if you bring it indoor, okay naman siya. Even though na medyo low light siya, I was able to take a good shot. On some other occasion na medyo mas may ilaw konti, it looks good. And medyo namumuti ako dito, I'm not sure why, parang masyadong beautified ang shot na ito. Now, using the front-facing camera to take a video, on indoor, medyo soft ang video, makita mo, and it's shaky once you're walking without a gimbal. And if you're walking indoor, medyo shaky, kita mo, medyo matagtag siya. And I'm just using my bare hand to take this video. But one thing that's really sure dito is that sharp ang ganda video, but nakakahilo siya kasi malikot. Now guys, ano masasabi ko sa Vivo V30e? If you're somebody who likes the V30 series, probably wala kang budget to be able to buy the V30 or the V30 Pro, you can always consider the V30e. Dahil one, it has yung camera goodness, but probably not as good as the V30. This one has a good camera, may aura light din siya, pwede ka ma-record up to 4K and 30 both sa harap and likod, and it can give you some really nice good shots. Pagdating naman sa gaming, don't expect too much. This one has only a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, pero pagdating sa display, I would say this is definitely another winner from the V series. Sobrang light niya, sobrang ganda ng kanyang design, and I love the way na pagka-curve ng kanyang display. The AMOLED display is definitely good, but bitin ka lang talaga dito sa kanyang loudspeaker kasi single firing loudspeaker lang siya. But on the good side, 5G na siya at its price point. Now, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And kung nagustuhan itong video na ito, don't forget to like and share to your friends, and a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.